Okay. Okay. I hope everything is perfect. Chalo. Hello everyone, Elugu Namaskara and welcome to my Indian market live stream. Okay, so subject time is around 12:29 and date is of 26th of September. Okay, on 26th of September, what Nifty and Bank Nifty will do until we'll do a very quick analysis. So morning nodlathara market has fallen huge points. So next level fall agide ankore where somewhere it has opened over here. It'll open agi. This was the today's high. So in case my Bank Nifty nodrandre there is a fall of around 300 points in Bank Nifty. But if you see in Nifty, there is a fall of around close to 110 points. Okay. So let's say second half ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲೋ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೋವರ್ ಲೋ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಟು ಡೌನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ. So I'm still expecting market to fall, but let's see what kind of market will be for today's view on that. Okay, so again we'll do a quick top down analysis and then get into trade whether we'll get a proper trades or not until. Okay, so before that I'm also tracking Binance and Ethereum in crypto market as well. So illond yavado one trade ತಗೊಂಬೋದು in case proper setup form ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, only then we'll get into trade. So that is the reason I'm keeping this on tracker. Okay, so let's see. ಇದು ಒಂದು Binance and Ethereum. So let's go to Indian market. Now before starting Indian market, I'll just cross check what audio and video quality are. Okay, one second. Then we'll get into trade. So that is the reason I'm keeping this on tracker. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So I hope audio and video are perfect. Once all clear ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ give me a thumbs up. Oh, Shashivardhan bro is live. Hi bro, how are you? A very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to everyone. Okay, so I think we'll start the video. So we'll just do quick Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis over here. Okay, so 1 second guys, 1 second time kodri. I'm so sorry, give me 1 second. Okay. So this is Bank Nifty chart. In Bank Nifty chart, I'll just go to 4-hour time frame and do a quick top down analysis. Okay, we'll not waste much time. So without wasting much time, we'll start the video. So I'll just remove each and then in drawing level, I'll just remove each and everything so that it will be easy for us to do analysis. Okay, so what I'll do right now is this is 4-hour time frame in Bank Nifty. Again same thing, same story. I'll just mark this trend line because from top il on the trend line kanasladu. Okay, simple thing. I just removed everything and I'm marking the same thing so that fresh agi analysis ಮಾಡೋದು easy ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain each and everything should be very much clear for you. So that is the reason I removed the drawings and I'm marking again the same drawings. Okay, so this is the trend line from top coming over here. So ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, this is the trend line from bottom over here and you can see a huge gap down for today's market and market fall aglatli. Okay, this is what is today's scenario. So market gap down agada and this has broke this trend line clearly. So ninne in case you short ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, you could have taken this advantage of gap down. So easily you will be in profit of around 500 to 600 points. Okay, so this is what is current scenario. 1 second. Epic pen open ho jao mere bhai. Chalo. Okay. Okay, so market open agittu somewhere over here and this was the high and it is falling now. So this is a clearly selling market for today. Okay, market is completely bearish over here. 1 second guys, there is something wrong in my laptop. Okay, so this is what is in 4-hour time frame. If I go to 1-hour time frame, again 1-hour time frame, if you can see same thing, market is forming lower low pattern over here. Lower low pattern formation agi this is break out this trend line. So market is clearly forming lower low. You must be going only for downside trade as of now, as of today's view. Okay, because market net trend is clearly forming lower low and even this market is of selling market. As you can see, there are back to back red candles. Okay, so this is simple, which is in 1-hour time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame hodaga, okay, thumbs up from Shashivardhan bro. Okay, perfect. So So this is in 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time frame ನೋಡಿದಾಗ again market is clearly forming lower low pattern over here, lower low pattern formation aglattu, and market is clearly in downtrend. So again you must be going only for downside trades. But now I can see a worried scenario over here. So ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ market has given a huge sell off, but ಈ point ಗೆ it is trying to consolidate. Okay, so ಹೊರಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ವೈಲ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಾಳ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಝೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಟಿಲ್ 50% of the level. Till this level there might be a recovery. Okay, so let's see, because multiple times buyers are trying to dominate from this level, so that is the reason this is acting as a sideways zone as of now. Okay, so let's see what exactly market will behave from this particular point, or how exactly it will behave at this particular point at that. Okay, so this is what is in 15 minutes time frame in bank nifty. If I go to 5 minutes time frame, you can see there is a clear sideways market going on right now. Okay, from 11 o'clock till 12:30 it's a pure sideways market. Morning again momentum bandu, that is the only momentum we got. Other than that it is purely sideways. Okay, so now we'll do the same analysis in nifty and then keep both charts side by side, and then we'll come to a conclusion. Okay, I hope illi tanka points are very much clear. So this is bank nifty chart. I'll go to nifty chart right now. So I'll go to nifty chart and I'll go to 4-hour time frame, so that it will be easy for us to do a quick top down analysis. Okay, I'll just remove each and every drawing. So illon trend line mark ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This I marked it like long time ago, so 4 to 5 days ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. So this is the trend line coming from the top, and this is the trend line going from bottom to the top. Okay, so as of now we'll not disturb these things, because these are for very ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದು swing trades or very huge points. So there is a difference of around 600 points from the current point, from the current spot price. But again 600 points momentum in 1 or 2 days is very rare scenario in nifty. So that is the reason either touch madad beda, we'll just keep it like this, and we'll be focusing on this particular part. Okay, which is for today's view. Okay, and if you see in 4-hour time frame, I can also mark this trend line over here. Okay, so market in case fall over, it can easily come till this level for the testing this lower trend line. Okay, so this is what is in 4-hour time frame, what nifty is looking like. Again nifty is forming clearly lower low pattern over here, so you must be going only for downside trades. Okay, just forget about all these things. Idella previous chart ada, idu don't consider this as of now. Let's consider past 5 to 6 trading sessions. Okay, so here it is forming lower low pattern, you must be going only for downside trades. This is very much clear, because I'm just going with the trend. Okay, just following the trend, nothing else. So next I'll go to 1-hour time frame. What 1-hour time frame is trying to tell exactly? Again if you see 1-hour time frame, clearly it is forming lower low patterns. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is clearly forming lower low pattern, and it is clearly saying that market is going for downside trades. Then you must be placing only downside trades at this point of time. This is again very much clear in 1-hour time frame. Okay, and if you want to mark any channel over here, I can see a channel which I can mark something like this. Okay, but again there is a breakout of channel. This is what is a channel in 1-hour time frame. Okay, so there is a breakout of channel, and price came out of this channel. So chart breakdown agi, it is trading below this channel, so clearly market is still in a downside direction itself. Okay, so now we'll go to 15 minutes time frame. What exactly 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell until? If I go to 15 minutes time frame, clearly again market price action is forming lower low, which is giving us much more clarity. So 15 minutes time frame hodaga, this chart is giving us much more clarity, forming lower low pattern. Okay, again market is purely in downtrend over here, go for only downside trades. I hope illi tanka I'm explaining things very much clearer, and I'm going very deep, so that you can understand what I'm exactly trying to tell until. Okay, so this is what is in 15 minutes. Overall conclusion, you must be going only for downside trade since market is in downtrend. Okay, Shashivardhan bro, did you get my points, or do you have any still doubts? Just give me a thumbs up if you are getting all the points. Okay, or is it going speed? Just let me know your opinion. So 15 minutes time frame again, this is forming lower low. Illinda again it is trying to go up. So let's see whether illinda support tondo market will go up, or again it will give us a one more fall. This is our next analysis. Okay, so both Nifties and Bank Nifty analysis are done from 4 hour to 1 hour and 1 hour to 15 minutes. Now the task is we'll go to 5 minutes or 1 minute and then try to find out a quick scalping trade. Okay, so let's see. This is 5 minutes chart in Bank Nifty, and this is, I'll go to 5 minutes chart in Nifty as well. Okay, perfect. So this is Bank Nifty chart and this is Nifty chart. So now what I'll do is I'll just try to mark support and resistance levels over here. Okay, if you see in Bank Nifty, this is a strong support level over here. And if you see the resistance level over, this is a strong resistance level over in Bank Nifty. Again, why this is strong support level? Market in the rejection tagondo, it is trying to go up. Again, why this is a strong selling level or a support level? Because multiple times sellers are activated at this point. Key pointing sellers are activated, they are trying to take market down. Again, market went up, sellers are activated, they are trying to take market down. So this is the reason. This is a strong resistance level, this is a strong support level. Simple, that's it. Okay, so as of now, let's wait whether market will give again downfall or it will try to recover the trend. Okay, and if you can see over here, this is a trend line which can be marked. Okay, so this is a trend line I can see over here. From bottom also I can see a trend line over here. Or else I'll just mark a channel. Okay, channel will be easier. So illondu channel kanislattu nanaga. See, simple. Market should break out this range now to get into a trade. Okay, so let's see how market will react to the current scenario. This is Bank Nifty chart. If you want to mark, you can mark this day high as well. This is somewhere over here. This you can mark as day high. Okay, so this is what is Bank Nifty chart. And let's go to Nifty chart, what it is exactly trying to tell us. So in Nifty chart, if you see, again there is a channel over here. I'll just mark this channel just for a better clarity. Okay, so market is moving in a channel, and I can also see a strong support level over here. I'll just mark this support level, and I can also see a strong resistance level over here. I'll just mark this resistance level over here, and I'll also mark this day high. Okay, these are the important levels to be considered right now. Okay, so market illi tanka pullback tolak, I mean for a small retracement, it can come till this level. It is slowly forming higher high pattern in 1 minute time frame right now, sorry, in 5 minutes time frame, and it can easily come till this upper channel to test. I mean the 50 moving average rejection. 50 moving average touch mada salvagi, it can come for a small pullback and then continue its trend forming lower low. Okay, this is what is my point of view to the market. So now let's go to 1 minute time frame. What 1 minute time frame is trying to tell exactly in there. This marking was done in 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. So you can see much more clearer what exactly is happening in market and there. Okay, so this is in 1 minute time frame. Again, 1 minute time frame, you must be still going for downside trade, but there might be a small retracement or a pullback as well till this level, around 150 points till this 50% level. Again, in Nifty also there can be a small pullback of around 36 points easily. But let's see, pullback neck trade or we will wait for market to fall until we will decide it. Okay, as per market scenario, we'll just come into conclusion. But as of now, we'll just wait. Okay. Again, this is, if you can see, this is also a strong resistance level in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's see. Again, market in the rejection tone kelag bartha athwa this will this break out this level ante. So according to me, I'm interested in going only for downside trade, but if in case the channel breakout aayth ankori, I can plan for upside trade as well. Okay, because market ne price action is clearly forming higher highs right now. It has shifted from lower low to sideways and sideways to higher highs. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. You can expect a momentum something like this. slowly lower lows in the sideways to it is forming higher high pattern. So this clearly shows that buyers are dominating at this particular point and they are trying to take market up. Even if you see in bank nifty as well, market is clearly forming lower low pattern over here. Lower low pattern agi it is slowly trying to be sideways and then it is trying to form higher rise pattern over here. So slowly lower downtrend in the market is trying to form an uptrend. So if in case e level cross agi ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ we can plan for an upside trade or else we'll just wait. Okay, if market is trying to go up, then simply it indicates that buyers are dominating and buyers are trying to take market up and buyers are getting stronger and stronger. That's it. Okay, so let's see. 1 second guys, I'm waiting for Kantara ticket booking. So Kantara booking release agbekittu. I'm just checking it in book my show, but it is not yet released. Tickets पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है. Coming soon है गता इल्ली, but still might be there is a glitch or something. Okay, tickets are now available. 1 second guys, 1 second, I'll just check the tickets. I'm so sorry in live stream. Oh shit, October 1 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It's okay. Premier show ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, but there is no tickets available for October 1. So Binance is going up, Ethereum is going up. Okay, there is no proper setup formed in Ethereum or in Binance. Just wait for Indian market to form a proper setup. Okay, 1 second guys, 1 second. I'm just trying to look in Bengaluru. Okay, it is trying to take rejection from this upper channel. So again, in the rejection tone, easily market can fall from this level. Okay, so let's see what premium prices are doing over here. So 56 is a premium price in put option running over here. So let's wait for a proper entry point and then we'll get into trade. Okay, I hope stream is perfect, stream health. 1 second, I'm just checking everything. Okay, stream health is excellent. Super. Nice. So let's wait till in the proper on rejection barboda anantali. If I go to OI data, what OI data is trying to tell, let's have a look once. $24,750 level. Below this level, market can give us a fall because there are 1.09 crore OI data. Put sell ಮಾಡಿರೋರು open positions are 1.09 CR. Okay, below 24,750 level we can get a downfall, but let's see how market will behave right now. ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ, ಬರೀ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ metropolitan cities. Let me check for 1 second guys, please don't mind. 1 second, I'm just trying to look. Oh bhai sahab, कहीं भी नहीं यहाँ पे PVR. No. Okay, it is trying to give breakout. ಬರೀ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ನೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು. ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಸ್, PVR, ಒರೈನ್ ಮಾಲ್, ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಸ್, ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ್, ಸ್ವಾಗತ್, ಶಂಕರ್ನಾಗ್. ಓಕೆ, Venkateshwara Digital. Ravi Digital 6:30 a.m. Okay, it is trying to give breakout. 1 second. I'm so sorry. You can expect till this level, E level tanka you can expect an upside momentum. If you can see 24,800 level is again a psychological level. So this level can act as a very strong resistance level. E level in mark madinala. This level can act as a very strong resistance level and market can come down from this level. But we'll just wait. We'll wait for a proper setup to be formed. And as of now, I'm not interested in going for upside trade because will not. If I get into upside trade, I'll be expecting only these many points, which is around 16 to 18 points. Again, a small point salvagi, I'm not interested in going up. If suppose market crosses this level and sustains very well, then I'll be going for an upside trade. Okay, so let's plan over here. Let's wait for market to decide what exactly it wants to do until. Okay, only then we'll get into a conclusion. Unnecessary FOMO will not get into wrong trades. We'll get into very high probability trades and then we'll get a proper profits. Okay, so let's see. As of now, I'm just waiting for a proper level to be crossed. E level and cross agbeku, which is 24,800 level again, which is a round figure level or a psychological level. Okay, even at this point call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. They should defend or defend ಮಾಡಿ market ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ slowly ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು slowly defend ಮಾಡಿ they'll try to take market down. This is what is my expectation. If in case if they fail to defend this level and market gives a breakout, then we'll go for an upside trade. Okay, our plan is very much clear. So let's wait how market will react to this and then we'll get into a conclusion. Okay, which theater should I book? Old Madras Road, PVR, Orion Malls, City Circle. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ದೂರ ಒಂದು each and every theaters are around more than 15 to 20 kilometers away from my place. Siddheshwar 4K Dolby. One second, guys. I'm searching tickets in live stream. I'm very much sorry. Excitement ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. ಸ್ವಾಗತ್ ಶಂಕರ್ನಾಗ್ MG ರೋಡ್, ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ಉಳ್ತ್ರಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾಗಡಿ ರೋಡ್, ಬೇರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಸ್, ಗಿರಿನಗರ್, JP ನಗರ್. Guys, give me 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, in live stream I'm not feeling very good, so I'll take break for 2 minutes and I'll be back. Okay. Hello guys, ticket booked for Kantara. Morning 9 o'clock in Bengaluru. Let's come back to topic. कहाँ चला गया वो सब guys? Okay, ticket booked guys for Kantara. Let's see how it will be. Full excitement आलत अनकोर. Next level craze. So as of now, if you can see market again, ಇದು ಒಂದು level sustain ಆಗಿ it is still trying to come down. I'm interested in going for upside trade only above this level. So ಈ level ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ I'll be going for an upside trade, or else I'll be still planning for downside trade itself. Okay. So let's see. Banknifty again, ಇದು ಒಂದು upper channel fake breakout ಕೊಟ್ಟು it is trying to come down, but let's see. I'm expecting Nifty to fall as well. In case Nifty ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, we'll get into quick scalping trade as well. Okay. So I'll be just observing my premium prices over here. 1 second, I'll show you the premium prices also. Because ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬಲ್ಲಿ, so I'm just handling everything in one laptop. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I would have observed in another screen over here. But right now I am observing premium prices in my mobile. I'll show you 1 second. Okay. So these are the premium prices running over here. So ಈ premium prices observe ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. Let's see what kind of trade we can get ಅಂತ. Okay, let's shift to Binance and Ethereum, what they are trying to do. Okay, again I think Ethereum we can get into a trade over here. This is 15 points of SL and you can expect around 80 points of target. Oh nice. I think we missed this momentum. But still I can get into trade. I 4 to 5 points ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾನು. It's okay. I'll wait guys. I'll wait for one proper pullback. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು proper pullback ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೂರೆ I'll get into an Ethereum trade as well, because I was in office. I missed this big momentum. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. I was in office, I was doing some work, so ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು momentum ಬಂದಿತ್ತು and I did not even look at market what was happening. But later ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ it was given a huge fall. I think even here it will give us a huge fall, but entering at this point is kind of risky. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾ, the right point. Again we missed it. It's fine, we'll just wait for a proper pullback. Even in Binance we can get into a trade if it crosses below this level. Okay, we'll wait. We'll not get into FOMO. We'll wait and we'll get into proper entry point. Okay, next level fall aglattu nodri. Coming back to Indian market, what Nifty and Banknifty are doing, we'll see. Okay, so again they are in a range. So Indian market is giving very slow momentum. We'll see what exactly will happen at them. So let's have a look at 5 minutes and 15 minutes in both in both Nifty and Banknifty, what it is trying to do until. If I go to 5 minutes time frame in Banknifty, so it is somewhere forming something like this. Okay. Okay. So on the upper channel breakout kotti kelag barlattilla, again it is purely sideways. If I see 5 minutes time frame in Nifty, again it is purely okay. So on channel breakout kotti retest mode, it is trying to go up. So let's see whether this will go up or it will go down at that. If in case the kelag bant ankori, this will be a fake breakout. It gave a breakout. In case the green candle or the red candle formation agi, if in case kelag bantandre, this will be a fake breakout. Or in case male breakout agi, it gave a retest, and then if it is trying to go up, this will be an actual breakout. Okay. So these are the difference between fake breakout and actual breakout. If this green candle forms red candle, then this is a fake breakout. In case green candle, if it closes as a bullish green candle, this will be an actual breakout. We can plan for an upside trade over here. Okay. But again, if we plan also, the target illi tankana irbekagtade, because this is a round figure level or psychological level. Illinda any time market can reverse. Okay. That is the reason I'm waiting with patience to get into a trade. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. What Bank Nifty and Ethereum, Bank Nifty and Nifty are trying to do on there. Okay. So if you see in 15 minutes time frame, again it is forming a green candle over here, which is back to back green candle. Let's see. Okay, this is a green candle, superb. See, even this is forming a huge green candle. Let's wait, because inta FOMO-nage will be getting into trade and trade will be completely reversed. So we'll just have to wait for a proper logic and proper entry setup and then get into a trade. Okay. If you look at the OI data, I think 24,800 both are very much stronger. If nan cursor na follow madrili, if you observe call right ಮಾಡಿರೋರು and put right ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, that means call sellers and put sellers, they are close to the point, which is 1.88 CR in put shorts and call shorts ಮಾಡಿರೋರು 1.94 CR. So there is equal participation among both call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು and put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು. Either of one them should give up, only then market will move. If both of them doesn't give up, then market will be purely sideways again. See, 24,800 is a round figure level. This is why it is. Okay. Book my soul in e Kantara release agirad notification barlatu. We are already done with booking. Okay. So if I see Binance, oh bhai sab, Ethereum next level fall. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ we would have been in profit of around 20 points, which is a huge point within just 5 minutes. क्या गड़बड़ चल रहा है भाई साहब. Okay, so इंता heavy fall ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತು market, but still I'm not into any of the trades. That is what is a regret for me. हो जाएगा कभी कभी, let's not worry. Okay, so coming back to Bank Nifty and Nifty chart over here. So this is an important level, 24,800, which we can see in a OI data. 24,800 is an important level. E level mail hoitan kori. See, I'll explain you the logic clearly now. 24,800 level. So this is an important level now. At this point there are two persons. Just listen it like a story. Okay, full simple like explain martini. Just listen it like a story. So this is an important barrier you can consider, or a Great Wall of China, something. It's one barrier, and there are call sellers. Call sellers are someone who wants to take market down. Okay. So market ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ call sellers will be in profit, and there are someone called as put sellers. Okay, PE. If put sellers are selling the market, then they want to take market up. Okay, put short is equal to taking market up. Call short is equal to taking market down. So both are at this point. At this point there are if you follow my cursor, 1.89 crores put short modero and 1.91 crore call short modero. I'll write the numbers as well for the better clarity, which is 1.81. Okay, 1.89 is put. I'll write it somewhere over here, 1.89 and 1.91. Okay, 1.91 crores open positions are in call shorts and 1.89 open positions are in put shorts. So these people are trying to take market down and these people are trying to take market up. So dominants are call short modero, they are dominating because the numbers is huge, which is just again 20 lakhs difference or 2 lakhs difference, but the dominating people are call short modero. They will be trying to take market down. These people, they will be trying to take market up. At this point, either of one should give up. Either call shorters should give up or put writers should give up. Call writers give up, market will go up. Okay, why market will go up? If in case call short moderaru, if they give up, call short moderaru, if market falls, they will be in profit. If market goes up, they will be in losses. So if market goes up, they should give up, then market will give us a huge momentum. Okay, I'm explaining with respect to CE, call sellers. Okay, Shashivardhan bro, listen very carefully, this is a very important concept. Okay, I'll explain you once again. Call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they are trying to take market down. Okay, if market goes down, they will be in profit. Okay, if market goes down, they will be in profit. But if market goes against their favor, if market goes upside, they will be in losses, because they wanted to take market down but it is going against their favor, they will be in loss. If market goes upside, call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they have to book their losses and market will give us a huge momentum. Okay, in the same way, put writers, put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they want to take market up. Okay, put right ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they want to take market up. They will be in profit only if market goes up. Okay, they will be in profit if only market goes upside. But if in case market goes against their favor, which is downside, okay, which is downside, then they will be booking their losses and they will be in losses. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, put traders will be in losses, so they'll be booking losses and market should give us a huge fall. Okay, this is what is the next upcoming scenario in the market. Okay, so it might happen at 2:30, 1:30, 3 o'clock, ಯಾವಾಗನೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, or it can happen on Monday as well, but we never know. This is what is a OI data telling us, this data. These many open positions are there in call writers and put writers. This is what can happen next ಅಂತ. In case na ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ, just go to 2-3 minutes back and watch 3 to 4 times and then you will get to know what exactly I'm trying to explain ಅಂತ. ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, this is kind of difficult, I can totally understand, because these concepts are very much volatile, just ಜಲ್ದಿ ತಲೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So these are kind of difficult concepts, so you just have to watch, keeping on repeatedly watching, aವಾಗ you'll get to know what exactly it is trying to tell ಅಂತ. Okay, just don't give up, try to understand things. When you understand things, all concepts will become much more easier. Okay, so let's see how market will behave ante. You can just take a screenshot or whatever you want. I'll just remove these things. Okay, I hope these topics are very much clear, whatever I explained right now. ಇಲ್ಲಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, go back 5 minutes and then try to rewind once again and then watch it 3 to 4 times. At 5th time you'll definitely understand what I'm trying to tell. Okay, these are all very simple concepts, but you need some time to understand, that's it. So let's see what Ethereum is doing. Okay, exactly, trend line is support on, it is trying to go up. Once it goes up and comes down, one small pullback ತಗೊಂತಂದ್ರೆ then I can get into a trade, but let's see. Okay, again it is falling. I'll just remove all these drawings. Oh my. Okay, so market is falling now. I think we can go for downside trade very easily because premium prices are also moving over here. But let's see. Okay, I think we can plan for a downside trade. See, now if it is going downside, then put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they are slowly giving up. Okay, these numbers will be changing now. Which is 1.89 adala, this will be slowly coming down to 1.79, 1.75, something like that. Okay, so let's see, I'll show you in live as well. Okay, positions will be liquidated. Okay, I think we can go for downside trade over here, but again there's a small point. 1 second guys, 1 second. Now one huge fall ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I don't think so if this falls won't give us a huge fall. How about 5 minutes time frame? Okay, super. I'm just waiting for a proper spike over here. Okay, 57. I think we can get into trade, guys. So this will be our entry point. 13 seconds of the candle close. I'll just wait for some more time. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's wait, guys. So enter other again. This is a hurdle. I'm just confused. Can I get? Okay, I'll take one risk, guys. Entry point is around somewhere here. 8 points will be the stop loss, and target will be this lower channel. Okay, which is around 20 points. Sorry, 40 points. So let's see. This is our trade, which is running at 60 premium prices. Let's see. I'll just try to take my personal trades over here as well. Come on, superb. 60, 61, nice. Come on, come on, come on. Huge fall kodbekilli. At least till this level, it should give us a huge fall. Okay, because put short moderator, they will be booking their losses immediately, and market should fall very fast. Okay, this is what is the logic behind this trade. If I show you over here, why data open interest, see 1.9 ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು the data, I don't remember. $1.9 and 1.8 CR. Okay, let's wait. This is what is my expectation as of now. Market illinda fall agbeku. In case mail bantu ankore, I will take a stop loss. Okay, premium price is running at around 62, 63 right now. So there are chances that it can take support at this level as well, but this is the next hurdle. If once that the support breakdown aaytu ankore, then easily we'll be expecting a fall for downside. Okay, so let's wait. I'll not trail it to break even right now. In case na break even trail madad ankore, market illi tanka band again, if it falls alla, then this is not the right approach towards market. If this takes our stop loss, it is totally fine. I'll accept the stop loss. Okay, come on. This is the hurdle. Is support level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Only then we can be a profitable. This trade can get profitable. Okay, come on. Market il ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತರ್ನು premium prices are still not decreasing, or premium prices are still not falling. So premium prices are very much strong. Okay, so let's see. A huge fall ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ easily ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. We'll wait. That's it. That's the only thing we can do. We'll just have a look at this thing. Oh my god, I think ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ easily enter ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. अरे भाई साहब, ऊपर मत जाओ यार. Again, premium prices are still in 62, 62.5. So premium prices are very strong. Put premium prices are increasing. So this is the reason I said I won't trail it to break even. So in case na break even it is done kori, will break even stop loss zone, it would have come down. Then that would have been a worst regret ever. So that is the reason I'm not trailing to break even right now. I'll trail it after some time. Somewhere a month and kori, I'll trail this break even stop loss to the break even point. Okay, or else let it take the stop loss. Let's not worry. ಇನ್ನೂ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. Come on. Okay, come on, superb. 63 is the premium price running over here. Nice. 63, 64, superb. Now next level. Ekdam sniper entry and superb. Next level. Let's see what this target will give us. Sorry, what this trade will give us. 65, 66 is the premium price. Nice, superb. One short net target. The logic is simple. Why did I keep target this lower channel? Is market in upper channel with rejection togondu, which has given a fake breakout. Amele illi tanaka barlathu andre I can simply expect target till this lower channel. Okay, so this is why I kept target over here. So now I can trail it to break even. Okay, so now I'll trail it to break even. ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು let it take our break even. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ₹1 ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Let it take my break even stop loss. It's totally fine for. Okay, so let's see. 62, 63 is the premium price. So market was forming lower low. Ille enter agಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು, but again thinking that ಇದು retest ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ I did not enter. So once it came down, I entered at exactly this spot. Okay, this candle was our stop loss. So let's see what this trade will offer us ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Market price action is purely forming lower low pattern or it is in downtrend. So that is the reason I'm going only for downtrend. Illinda slowly upside mark higher rise formation aglatittu, but still it did not cross this level. I said if it crosses this level, I'll be planning for an upside trade. If it did not cross this level, I'll be going for downside trade itself antanu helidden, and I'm following the same thing as of now. So let's see what exactly this trade will turn into. Okay, nice, superb. I hope Shashivardhan is getting the logic. Na ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ is understanding is what I feel, but let me see. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು whether you are getting my points or it is getting difficult to understand or what it is. Okay. Oh, Ethereum is going up. Super. We did not get into this trade. It is fine. Oh, bhai, I think this will. 15 minutes time frame, this is trying to form a wick. In case wick formation a candle male close it and core, it won't fall. This is a worried scenario in 15 minutes time frame, man. Come on. 15 minutes time frame close agla 5 minutes 50 seconds left again core. It should close below this level. E level enadala, it should close below this level as a red candle. Only then we can expect a target. Let's see. It's all up to market. We'll just follow the process. That's it. Okay, market is back in the form. Let's see. It's coming back to the target. Okay, 65 66 is a premium price running over here. Come on, superb. 66 67. Nice. So this trade is a risk-free trade because we trailed our stop loss from sell point to the break-even point. So we are completely in a risk-free zone. So let's see whether this will give us a target or this will take us a break-even SL. Okay. Come on, superb. So today is my week off. I'll be live till 3 o'clock easily. Okay. So every day 2 o'clock I would have closed my live stream within next 30 minutes. But today I'll stay live till 3 o'clock. Okay. Aram se bilkul. Any doubts will be clearing today. Okay, I think this trade will take time, but this will definitely give us target. Is what I feel, because market is a directional market today. Market clearly lower low formation agada illi ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ upside ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ interest ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Because if you see bank nifty, it is clearly forming lower low pattern, which is very much clear. Okay, which is forming lower low pattern and which is very much clear. It tried to form higher rise, but again it failed to do so. Again it is forming lower low pattern over here. And even if you see it in this thing, Nifty as well. So Nifty name again it is forming lower low pattern clearly. So higher high pattern formation try ಮಾಡ್ತು, but it failed to do so. Clearly again it is forming lower low pattern. So market is a directional market today. So I hope it should give us target, but let's see. Anything might happen in market. We must be ready to accept each and everything. Okay. Let's wait, guys. Again, market is still in our favor. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಫಾಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇವರ್. ಓಕೆ, till below this level it can easily give us target. Only if it crosses above this level, then that should be a worried scenario. Let's see, because even bank nifty is falling, so bank nifty fall aglat under there is a strength, both are directional, both are falling, so you can expect a momentum. And let's have a look at ethereum. Oh my, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಸೂಪರ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲವ್, ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. Again, this is my setup, which is 50 moving average rejection. It'll easily enter other a small stop loss over here. My entry point, my stop loss, boom. क्यों मिस किया भाई साहब मैंने? Binance ने 1 minute time frame, you can go for an upside trade. What I feel is 1 minute time frame, this is a rejection over here. We get over, okay, not here, this is not the right point. Somewhere ee tara bandaga we can get into trade. We'll wait for a proper pullback and then we can get into a scalping trade in Binance. Let's wait. Hige live nage aaytu ankore anta scenario, I'll just show you on spot itself, but I'll just wait for the right entry price. Okay, come on, super. Next level, Nifty is falling. 72, 73 is the premium price. Super. This was a high probability trade, so we'll just lock our profits for 1:1. So Sadak, this is our break even SL, and we'll just take it to 1:1. Target antu easily kodabek nan prakara. Oh sorry, 1 second. Come on, I think target ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತ, ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್, ಒನ್ ಗೋನೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, 78, 79, ಸೂಪರ್. ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಡನ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಡನ್, ಸೂಪರ್. ಎಕ್ದಮ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ and then we got into trade, and that trade has given us profits. So I trade ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, I think almost we waited for half an hour ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. I came live at around what timing? 1 second, I'll just check. Okay, I think 45 minutes we waited, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we got into trade. Okay, so Nifty has boomed, super. Next level bro, next level. Target is done. Okay, my capital is 10k. I took one lot in Nifty. How to manage my risk reward, how to fix my SL, how much risk I am ready to lose in capital, how to calculate that all. Okay, I'll give solution to this bro. Super. So this gave us a target. So let's assume 10k is your capital. Okay, solution for Shashi Vardhan bro's question. So 10k is his capital. Okay, so 10k ne what I suggest is just take one lot of Nifty. You're trying to trade in Nifty, yeah? Okay, one lot of Nifty. Bank Nifty it will cost you much more, because Bank Nifty has monthly expiry, Nifty has weekly expiry. So take one trade, one lot. Okay, lot size, okay, I'll just write it something like this. It is difficult actually. You can later take a screenshot as well. Okay, 10k is the capital. अरे भाई साहब, okay, so your lot size should be single lot. Don't get into 2 lots or 3 lots. 5000 siglattilla 4000 siglattilla, don't get into 2 lots. Just take one lots, because this is how I practiced in my previous days. Okay, so one lot in Nifty, 10k is your capital. Your risk to reward should be let's say one lot ne quantity size will be 75. I'll show you over here itself. If you want to buy over here quantity size, if you click it over here, it will be 75. Okay, 75 for one lot. I'll mention it somewhere over here itself. 75. Okay, so your risk should be just 5 points. Okay, and your reward should be minimum 10 points, minimum of 10 to 15 or 20 or 40. This is up to the market and up to you how many points you can capture. Minimum you should at least take 10 points as a target. Okay, stop loss can be ranging from 3 rupees to 5 rupees or 3 points to 5 points, because this is what I personally follow. Nanth personal strategy, I mean hinge trade ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. My stop loss in Nifty will be maximum 5 points. Maximum stop loss ಕೊಡೋದೇ 5 points. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It might go to 6 points in some market volatility, but maximum will be 3 to 5 points. And if I in case return I take profits, minimum will be 10 points I'll be taking, maximum I can take till this 40 points. This depends on market scenarios. Okay, so this is what your risk to reward ratio should be. I'll mark it in black color. You can just take a screenshot of this. One second, you can still do it in a better way. Okay, so this is what is my suggestion, and this is what I followed in my previous days. Whenever my capital size gets bigger, I'll follow the same things. And let's say ಇದು 10k ಇರೋದು, I'll just try to, can I duplicate this? One second, copy, paste, clone. Okay, so same thing I'll just explain for 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh literally ನನ್ನ ಬಲ್ಲು capital ಇಲ್ಲ, but if I had 10 lakh capital, how would I manage it? Okay, I can manage it with 1 lakh and everything, but I'm just trying to show you how this works. 10 lakh you can take with 10 lots easily, which will be around 750. You can just add on 1 points. Oh, stop loss will be same. Okay, stop loss now again is 30 points, 50 points better. That will be a swing trade. Stop loss will be just 3 points and 5 points. Oh, I just forgot to add the risk to reward. Let's say for one quantity, the reward will be, risk will be around 3 points into 75 is 7 3s are 21. Around risk will be around 200 rupees to 7 5s are 35. 200 to, let's consider 400 rupees is the risk. Okay, in turn reward is, I can take reward of Re bhai 752, 7 4s are 28, 752 around 2500 rupees as a reward. Okay, so this is what is a strategy. Okay, but it takes huge time you to follow this strategy. It depends on how dedicated you are. In 10 lakh your minimum loss will be around 2000 to 4000 rupees. Okay, and your reward will be 7500 rupees to 25000 rupees per day or per trade. Okay, so if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. This is what is a way of approach towards market. In case ille trade togondide ankori, this has given us 40 points momentum. In the premium price, it will be somewhere around, our entry point was somewhere 57 over here, and this has given us a momentum of around 20-25 points. Let's say you just took only 20 points as a profit. So what you did over here is you risked 3 to 5 points, you got 20 points. 20 points is somewhere close to uh, 75 into 20, which is around 1400 rupees something in one lot. If you increase the lot, then this is what is you need to follow. I hope this point is very much clear. And this is what I follow in my personal trades as well. 5 rupees kina jasti 1 rupayi stop loss kodangilla, and my minimum target will be around 10 points. Sometimes while booking profit it can come to 8 points, 7 points. That is not in our hands. First slippages irtav ankori, but this is what is your approach towards market should be. Okay, I hope my points are very much clear. You can just take a screenshot of this. This will be useful for you. Just give me a thumbs up if you are okay, or ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. If you got this points, just give me a thumbs up. Or else if you want me to explain once again, then let me know. I'll explain once again. So as of now, proper ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ target. We got a proper target. As of now, there are no proper trades in Nifty. This is a proper trade we got, and this gave us a target as well. This was our first trade. Okay. Can you explain with long positions in any Nifty stocks, bro? In the sense, long positions. So you are asking, you want some trades for long sides in the stocks. Is it what you're asking? Can you explain with long positions in any Nifty stocks, bro? So with this, what I'm getting to know is, let's say for example, you're asking for TCS, how to get into TCS trades in long position. Is it the thing you're asking or what? Can you explain with long position in any Nifty stocks, bro? Just let me know what exactly you're asking. Okay. Oh, you want SLN target in the Nifty stocks as well. That is what you mean? Like how I explained it in Nifty 50 trading. So same thing you want. Okay, Nifty. You want me to explain in same things in stocks? But this was related to options. This is option trading. But nimge option trading ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I think this will not make any sense. I'm so sorry for that. But if you know options trading, then this will be easy. If you want me to explain through stocks, then I can explain that as well. But just give me one stock name, pick any stock name and let me know. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Nifty 24,005. Oh. So 24,500 is a strike price. So you want strike price. Options, okay. So with this, what I'm getting to know is, you want me to explain through how 24,500 linta, where you can get for long side trades, where you can get for short side trades, what should be your stop loss in 24,500 with respect to spot price anteli. Is it that thing you are asking? You want it with respect to this chart is what I am getting right now. Each chart neg, where should be your entry point, where should be your stop loss? If stop loss, how much should be your stop loss? If target, how much should be your target with respect to this chart you are asking is what I feel. If I'm right, give me a thumbs up, I'll explain you. Okay? Don't worry when I'm here. Okay, Nifty 50 is trying to go up. Okay, in case if you see over here, we can get into Binance trade, which is kind of risky. Okay. So do you want me to explain like in this Nifty spot, where should I get entry somewhere? If I, for example, if I get entry at this point and this should be your stop loss and this should be your target until explain Martin. So sorry, this should be your entry point, this should be your stop loss and this should be your target until ee riti explain Martin. Do you want me to explain it this way or how is your way of thinking? So I just wanted to know ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. Is it this way you're asking where exactly the stop loss should be placed, where exactly the target should be placed ಅಂತ. I'm not getting the whole point. Okay, again exactly at this level market respect ಮಾಡಿ it is trying to reverse. So whatever this 3 to 5 points I explained is with, sorry, this is with premium chart. So each chart your stop loss should be 3 to 5 points was what I meant. So let's say for example 57 is my entry point. Okay, whatever here I spoke was with respect to premium prices, not with the spot prices. If you are confused with the spot price, in spot price and no, this is not the right thing. So here I'm saying, so entry point if it is somewhere where 3 to 5 points should be your stop loss. Minimum target should be minimum target should be around 10 points, which is 10 points over here or 20 points, 30, 40 depending on the market. Minimum it should be 10 points is what I said with respect to premium prices. Okay. So if you want me to explain with spot prices, I'll explain, just confirm me once. Yes, brother, this. Okay. Got it. So whatever I explained with this is with respect to the premium prices. So this is why it is saying as I was saying as losses of risk of 5 points or 3 points and target should be of around minimum 10 points or 20 points or 30 points depending on the market scenario. Okay, this is not related to spot price. This is related to what is this called, premium price. Okay, you can take screenshot of this and you can mention this for a premium price. Okay, if you want me to explain, I'll explain you with the spot price as well. Okay, this was completely related to premium price. Okay, and again these points will vary because there is something called as option decay or premium decay. What is option Greeks? Okay, ये कहाँ लेके जा रहे भाई? ऑप्शन चेन नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, ऑप्शन ग्रीक्स चाहिए. Okay, so do you know what are option Greeks? Delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho anta. There are few option Greeks based on, do you know what is at the money, in the money, OTM? What is DK? Where did you see DK, bro? You mean don't know? Okay, so do you know anything about in the money, at the money, option Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, vega? Oh, DK, time decay. Okay, okay, okay. This is not the decay. I am speaking about this decay word. DECAY. What is time decay? Perfect. Nice question. Time decay is something called as theta decay. Theta decay is a time decay. Okay. Decay is this one. DECAY. Decay. Okay. Not this decay. Okay. I can understand you. So I'll explain you what is theta decay. So do you know what is at the money, in the money, OTM? How options make or lose money? Intrinsic value is a time value. This is a time decay. Okay, I'll explain you with very simple example. I don't know whether you will understand it or not, but I'll try my best. I'll give my best efforts to make you understand. Okay, this is again a time decay. Time decay for option premium. Slower time decay, faster time decay. Towards the expiration, it will be more faster. Okay, sorry bro, I don't know. Okay, cool, perfect. I'll take you from very basic. So I think, oh, market is still falling. One second. Oh, bhai sahab, superb. 1 second, bro. I'll explain you everything. Give me 1 minute time. Option premium is booming from 57 to 102. Next level. Our target was till this point, but we are getting much more points than expected. So what did I say a few minutes back, like half an hour back? Put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, if they give up, then market will easily fall, and put short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, they are giving up. That is the reason market is falling. This is what is happening in market right now. Okay, super, huge fall, nice. Easily you are getting profits of around 50 points. Super. It can fall till this level, 24,650 level easily. Okay, coming back to the topic, I'll explain you option chain. What is option chain? What is in the money, at the money, OTM? But market is giving a huge fall. This is nice. Okay, so this is option chain of Nifty. Okay, so this is call option, this is put option, and this is a strike price over here. So this strike price, currently this shows that market is running at 24,700, which is a current price of Nifty. Okay, if you see over here, which is at 24,685. If you see it over here somewhere, it is 24,670, which is close to 24,700. So this is the current strike price running over here. Okay, so the one which is in white color, this is all OTM, out of the money. In call option, anything which is above 24,700 is called OTM. Okay, I'll explain you with this in writings also, but just listen to me carefully. Okay, in call option, anything above 24,700 is OTM. In put option, anything below 24,700 is OTM. Okay, so this is out of the money, this is out of the money. This out of the money has time value or intrinsic value. This out of the money has time value or intrinsic value. Okay, so 24,700 yaudidu, this is which is in yellow color, this is in the money. Okay, in call option which is in white color, this is OTM, which is in yellow color, this is in the money. In put option which is in white color, this is out of the money and this is in the money. So now what exactly is OTM, ATM, ITM? Okay, out of the money andre enu, in the money andre enu, and at the money andre enu. Okay, so I'll take you the current example itself. So right now market is running at 24,670, let's consider. Okay, so what do you mean by call option or put option? First thing, okay, do you know what do you mean by call option or put option? Call option antandre you are trying to take market, you are trying to predict market will go up, and put option in the sense you are trying to take market down. Do you know this thing, call and put? Because this is main. What is CE, what is PE? Just let me know, I'll explain you clearly. Okay, even I am free today, we have much more time. Binance we can get into trade. Okay, again it is still sideways. Okay, you know what is call option, what is put option. Okay, so call option antandre you are trying to take market will, if market goes up you will take call option, if market goes down you will take put option. Okay, that is very much simple. So to take call option, which call option will you take? Will you take at the money, will you take in the money, or will you take out of the money? That is the question. I'll remove all these things subject. So to make you understand, I'm removing all these things. Okay, so subject price is around 24,695. You can consider it as 24,700. Re bhai, let me see one sarti epic pen open aitala, this will be easy for me to explain. Okay, it worked finally. These concepts are very simple, but you have to remember a lot. Okay, do one thing, if market falls PE, go up CE. Okay, perfect, this is the thing. Just take a pen and a notebook, try to write down what I'm trying to tell. I'll explain you very slowly, very neatly, in a very simple way. Okay, just keep a textbook and pen, sorry, a notebook and pen ready. Okay, okay, first write it down, a heading as options. Again, don't trade, try to learn what I'm trying to explain. Okay, this explanation will cost you a lot of money. I'm trying to explain you with simple logic and free of cost. Okay, so try to write heading as options. And you also know CE is going for up, CE in the sense will go for an upside trade, and PE will be going for downside trade. Okay, this is very easy. But now I'll tell you, this is in perspective of option buyers. Okay, this is in perspective of option buyers. If market is going up, you will buy call option. If market is going down, you will buy put option. Okay, these things already you know. Okay, this is with respect to option buyer. Okay, write it down in the same way. And now I'll explain you with respect to option sellers, how exactly you should read the market. This is with respect to option seller. Okay, so if option seller sells call option, okay, then he is trying to take market down, opposite of this. Okay, option seller perspective, this is buyer's perspective. And if option put option seller, if is, oh buy, market is falling crazy man, 1 second. अरे भाई साहब क्या चल रहा है, 125 126 नाइस. Okay, if he is trying to sell put option, then he is trying to take market up. Okay, so selling put option, selling call option is trying to take market down, selling put option is trying to take market up. This is with respect to option sellers. Let me know whether this concept do you know or did you understand this concept. Call option buy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ market will go up. Call option if you sell with respect to seller's perspective, still market will go up. These both are same and these both are same. Did you get this point or no? Just tell me yes or no. Okay, you know these points. Okay, just make a note of this. This is very much important. Okay, so these concepts you know. Now let's go back to other concepts. Which are the concepts? Arey bhai, I need a white page. Delete. Okay, so now you want to know what is at the money, out of the money and in the money. Okay, in the money is the first thing, then at the money, then out of the money. Okay, I'll try to increase the size. Okay, so what is this bro? Okay, so what is in the money, what is at the money, what is out of the money? If you go to option chain, anything which is in white color, this is out of the money, this is out of the money in put option, this is in the money in the put option, and this is in the money in the call option. Okay, so now coming back to the premium prices. Okay, coming back to the premium prices over here. So current price which is running at around 24,600. Okay, so I'll explain now with respect to call option, with respect to just CE. Okay, so let's say from this point you are predicting market will go up, then simply anything above this level is in the money. Okay, are you getting this point? 24,000 you are trying to take money, you are trying to predict market will go above this level, so which is 24,670, 680, 690, 700. Oh sorry, this is out of the money I feel. So current price is running at 24,650, anything above 24,650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. But strike price you get only round figure levels, which is you get 650 level, you get 700 level, 750 level, which is somewhere over 750 and 800. Okay, you get only these level. These are all out of the money. 24,000 above 24,650 to anything is out of the money. I'll show this in where in the option chain. About 24,650 anything is out of the money. Okay, so anything below 24,650, if you are trying to take any call options, this is in the money. Okay, so I hope you are getting these points or no. But again, if you watch any YouTubers, what do you mean by option chain? What do you mean by in the money, out of the money, at the money? You'll get much more clarity. But I'm trying to explain it in my own way. But let's see whether you are getting these points or not on that. Just give me thumbs up if you are understanding, or if you are getting confused, even then let me know. Okay, Binance now I think we can get into a trade. One second guys, I think I'll take a risk over here. One small risk. No, I see again. Okay. Okay, you are not getting, but you'll see again you're seeing. Okay, so we'll do one thing. If I explain you something like this, this is a very big topic, Ankur. It will take me more than 1 or 2 hours to explain. So what I'll suggest you is I'll just show you what to do. Okay. I'll tell you someone's video. Pushkars.
ये है ब्रेकआउट और आप एंटर करोगे यहाँ पर ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद
One second. Okay, so just try to learn from this person. Okay, one Sarthi, just watch these videos. He has explained you what is options, what is option trading, what is option buying, what is option selling, what is option Greeks, what is call option, what is put option, what is in the money, at the money, out of the money. Everything is there in this video. Okay, because if I try to explain you that will not make you any sense. Ekandre you don't know anything. But if you try to watch this video first, and then you'll get to know something about options. Adadmel you can ask me doubts, then I can clarify your doubts in a very simple way. So just watch his videos, he will give you much more clarity, is what I suggest first. Okay, so first watch his videos, and then on solpana knowledge bartadadmel you can ask me what exactly I want to explain, because these are all very basic, in the money, at the money, and all those things. So those things I think it will take, if I can explain you, but again it will take you 1 or 2 hours to get in-depth knowledge. So that is the reason ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು knowledge ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, then that will be easy for me to understand what problem you are facing until. From that point I can take you up. Okay, if this is okay, then give me a thumbs up. What is option Greeks? What is theta decay? What is time decay? What is delta, gamma, vega, rho? Everything he has explained. But again, tell me, even though if you watch this video and you are not getting still, then let me know that thing as well. Then I'll do some other thing. Or if you want, I'll try to make a course for this or something, or try to make a video, then upload it in YouTube. Okay, so live neg I don't think so this will make sense. I'll take some time and explain you in very clear way what is meant by OTM, what is meant by ATM, in the money, everything. Okay, so just watch that video once, and if you face any doubts, you feel free to ask me. And even after watching that video, if you don't get anything, let me know as well. I'll create my own video and then upload it in YouTube. That will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Friday का दिन एकदम next level momentum in market. We just captured around 30 to 40 points and market has given fall of around 100 plus points to go next level. Right from 750 to 650 it has fallen straight away. So I was planning for a Binance trade over here, but again market is trying to come down. No, I'm not getting into this trade. Okay, so let's see if Ethereum can give us a downside trade or something. Okay, in market all the concepts are very simple. The thing is first time ellanu gotangilla. You won't understand each and everything in the first time itself. It takes some time to understand things because this is a complete calculation game or complete mind game. So you must know how to do calculation, in what way, and where should I get into the calculations, where should I get into trade, where should I not get into trade, and what are the factors depending on these. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Only then you can try to get into trades. Okay, and again it will take a lot of experience to gain all those things also. Like why did I tell you to enter at this point itself, and why did I tell you to trail stop loss at this point itself, and why did I tell you to take target at this point itself. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it comes by experience. You won't get to know it in within 6 months or 1 year or 2 year. It will take time. So once at the time tagori, learn things, each and everything in a systematic way, and then everything will fall into place. You will try to understand each and everything. The thing is, don't give up. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಿಳಿಯಲಾಗದಂತ just don't try to give up and think that okay, this is not for me, I'll leave it ಅಂತ. Just don't give up. Try to learn each and everything each and every day. Okay bro, I put 3 to 5 points SL market easy took, I think. Yeah, but in premium bro, when I say 3 to 5 points SL alla, this is what I meant. This 3 to 5 points, I know it will take easily 3 to 5 points SL, which is very much common, but when you get into OTM trades, so this was a OTM trade, 750 put option was a OTM. Now it has become in the money, so 750p is now in the money, so that is the reason it is giving us a huge fall. But if you take in the money trades, premium prices will be fluctuating fast, but you just try to take at the money price range and you try to put 3 to 5 points as a stop loss. If you are in a right way, then if you are in the right direction, it won't take your stop loss. But sometimes in volatility it can take your stop loss. So stop loss government, try to re-enter once again. I'll show you. Let's say for example this is your entry point and your stop loss is around 5 points or 3 points. Okay, I totally understand that market will go in your favor for some time and then it will come and take your stop loss. Okay, this is the first time. Second time, if market comes to your entry point, try to get into trade once again. That is totally fine. You took your stop loss in volatility. Next time, try to get into trade once again. Okay, even that time market goes in profit and then takes your stop loss, it is totally fine. And last time, best time, third time also, even if market comes to your entry point, try to take your trade without any emotions. And even this time market takes your stop loss, then close for the day. But most of the time, third time at least it will break out and it will give us a target. This is what is your way of approach should be. Okay, 3 to 5 points stop loss market will easily take, and I totally accept it. That is what is how you manage your risk. If you take more than 3 to 5 points as a stop loss, which is around 10 points or 15 points, then you have to aim for around minimum 50 points or 60 points as a target, which is not possible in scalping. This is for swing trade. So what I suggest is keep stop loss as 3 to 5 points, or just keep it as 5 to 6 points, and then try to enter multiple times into trade, so that if market doesn't go in your favor, if it falls heavily, then you will be protecting your capital at this point itself. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Please tell in the money, out of the money concepts. Okay, so in the money is something which is, I'll show you. So right now Nifty is trading at 24,650. Okay, if you are trying to take market down, then 24,000, below 24,660, everything are out of the money. 24,006 current price is running at 24,660. If I go to 24,600 put option, this is, I'll remove everything, this is out of the money. Okay, because you are predicting market is now at 24,660, you are predicting that market will reach till 24,600. This is out of the money. More the out of the money you go, lesser will be the premium price. So if you go to 24,500, premium prices will be still more less. See, 24,500 premium price is 32, and if you go to 24,400, again premium prices will be very much less. This is what is out of the money. Anything which is less than 24,600 with respect to put option is out of the money. Okay, go back. If you're not getting these things, go back 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, try to rewind, you will get to know what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so these are completely out of the money. 24,600 and it is with respect to put option. Now with respect to put option, what is in the money, I'll tell you. Okay, so market is now trading at 24,650, which is the current scenario, and 24,650 above iradella, like 24,700, 24,800, 24,900. These are already happened because market has fell above these levels. That is the reason you are considering this as a out of the money. Okay, if I want to show you it with the diagram. Okay, let's consider this level as 24,600. Okay, with respect to put option, anything below 24,600, which is 550, 500, 400, 300, anything below this level is OTM. Okay, with respect to put option, anything below 24,600 is OTM. Anything above 24,600, which is 650, 700, 800, 900, 24,000, I mean 24,650, 24,700, 24,800, 24,900 is in the money. Okay, with respect to put option. I hope now you are getting price. Now you are getting the point. Put option premium prices will be high. Premium prices of in the money put option will be high. Premium prices of put option of OTM money will be less. Okay, because these are about to happen. OTMs are about to happen and the premium will be less. In the money are already happened and premium will be high. I hope you are getting these points. Just take a screenshot of this. This is with respect to put option, and next I'll explain you with respect to call option. If you are getting these things, and explain you about call option, or else I'll explain you once again what is about the put option. Just let me know. Did you get in the money and out of the money with respect to put option? This is very simple concept, very basic concept. Okay. Just let me know. Okay, perfect. So do you want me to explain the same with call option as well? How do you calculate call option OTM in the money, out of the money? Call to ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? Let's say for example, this is the spot price, which is 24, running at the price of 24,600 again. Okay, so this is 24,600. Anything above 24,600, I hope put option screenshot ತಗೊಂಡಿರ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So now I'll explain you call option. This is with respect to CE. Okay, with respect to CE, anything above 24,600, which can be 24,650 or 700 or 800 or 900. Anything above 24,600, this is a spot price. Anything above spot price is OTM. In call option, in put option it is different. In call option it is different. Put option but call option, those are ulta. Anything above 24,600 level is out of the money. Anything below 24,600, which might be 24,550, 500, 400, 300, is in the money. This is with respect to call option. And OTM premium prices will be always less, because these are about to happen. Yeah, because you are trying to predict that market will go up. Market will go up from 600 to 650 level, or 24,650 level to 700 level. These are about to happen. These are not happened. So that is the reason premium prices will be less. These are already happened. Okay, so in the money premium prices will always be higher, because premium prices right now is running at 24,600, and you are taking the premium prices with strike price of 24,550, which is already happened. So that is the reason in the money premium prices will be costly in call option. OTM premium prices will be less in in call option. Take a screenshot of this as well, then you can compare both call and put option, and then you will get to know what is the difference between these two. I hope this point is also very much clear for you. Simple concepts, OTM in the money, and this is 24,600 is ATM. Simple. This is at the money. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है इसमें. It is very easy. Just let me know whether you are getting these points, or these points clear, or you are still not getting these points. One second, I will just refill this bottle and come. We took PE, we take downside of right. We took PE, we take down right. One second. One second. We took PE, we take down of the right. We took CE, we take up of the same. That's it, bro. Yes, perfect. That is what it is, bro. We take down of the right, we took CE, we take up of the right. Option chain with respect to this. This is all in the money. This is all in the money for call option. This is OTM for call option. This is OTM for put option. What you are saying is right. To PE we take downside of the right. To CE we take upside of the right. But again, this is not the upside of the right. This is with related to put option. You are getting confused or what? We took PE, take down of the right. Okay. Down of the right. We took CE, we take upside of the left. This one should be. I don't know whether you are getting confused or what. Just take a screenshot of this and let me know. I'll be back. I'll just refill and come. Okay, is option chain, sorry, is what is this? In the money and out of the money clear? What do you mean by in the money, out of the money, and at the money? Are these concepts clear? Yes, bro. Okay, perfect. So let me know what kind of concepts you want again. In the money is clear, at the money is clear, out of the money is clear. And again, with respect to the stop loss, same thing. In premium price, it will be around 3 to 5 points or 5 to 6 points as a sell. But when you see it in spot price, this stop loss will be close to around 10 points or 12 points. Okay. In stop loss, in strike price, which will be 12 points, is equal to 6 points in premium price. Okay, if you are getting 12 points as stop loss in spot price, that will be somewhere close. If you see at this chart, I'll show you. I'll give you clarity for this as well. Okay, let's say for example, let's assume I got into this trade, which is at around 13-14 candle, which is at 114. I'll show you the same thing in premium price, which is at 114. Where is 114? Okay, this is the candle. So this is my entry point over here, which is at 114 candle. Oh bhai. Okay, so my entry point is at 114. Just observe 114 over here and 114 over here. This is my entry point. 114. Just follow my cursor. This candle is my entry point, and I kept stop loss above this candle, which is the candle of around 1312. Which is somewhere over here, which is around 13 points, and the candle time frame is 1312. I'll go here, candle time frame, if I see 1312, see the stop loss is just around, consider 5 points in premium price. Same candle, entry point is 1314, stop loss is around 1312. Okay, which is again small, which is around 4.8 points, 4.8 points as a stop loss. in premium price, if you observe it very clearly. Okay, if you observe it clearly over here, stop loss is around 13 points. So go for stop loss based on these candles. I'm keeping stop loss at 13.12 in this spot chart. Even in the premium prices also, I'm keeping stop loss below this level, which is at 13.12 chart. So here it is difference of 4.8 points, 4.8 points as a stop loss in premium price, and here it is around 13 points. So there is a difference, because this depends on whether the price is in the money, at the money, or OTM. The trade which I took over here was at the money, so that is the reason it is 4.8. Okay, I think you got the point right now. What is the difference between in the money, at the money, out of the money, and why is this very much important? Okay, whatever there is in spot, it differs from the premium price, and again that depends on whether it is in the money, at the money, or out of the money. Okay, if this is in the money, then your stop loss should be a bit bigger. If this is at the money, it should be a bit smaller. If this is completely out of the money, it can be still more smaller. Okay, that depends on what kind of premium price you are choosing. Okay, what kind of out of the money is it, or it is in the money, or it is at the money, adr mele depend. Okay, so always go with respect to spot chart. Wherever you feel as a stop loss, go to that particular time frame and place your stop loss in the premium price as well. Okay, if this is 13 points in spot price, don't place 13 points stop loss in the premium price. That is completely useless. Okay, this and premium price and spot chart, it is totally different. Okay, just place the stop loss based on the candle formation and the candle thing. Yield it 13.12 stop loss at any, and even here I placed it as at 13.12. Okay, I think this will give a lot of answers to your question. Perfect. So as of now, again, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ trades ಇಲ್ಲ. We took one trade and we exited at very right point, but again still market fell. We don't have to worry about this. ಎಲ್ಲ points ನೀವು capture ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ moves ನೀವು capture ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. If you just captured few points, it is totally fine. There comes a time where you can capture the entire move as well. It's just a matter of experience and matter of time. Again, Ethereum is trying to come down. Let's see. Okay, I'll remove this. This trade is no more valid. Either may sustain agtitandre, I thought of going for upside trade. It is not sustaining. If it is trying to go down, I'll be going for downside trade as well. I'll be placing the downside trade. I'm just waiting for Ethereum and Binance both to fall. Once it falls, I'll just place the downside trade. Okay. How much capital you use in Nifty? Mine will be around 50k, 60k, sometimes 10k, 20k, depends, bro. Depend agtu. Sometimes I use 20k also. I'm playing with a very small quantity. Okay, when I have capital, I can use huge capital. But right now I don't have capital, so that is the reason I'm staying in a limit. So 20k, 50k, matter angil ankori. You need somewhere like 5 lakhs hangit ankori. Easily you can make a decent amount of profit. Okay, ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಡೈಲಿ 1000 2000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಮಜಾ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ 5 lakhs 10,000 20,000 30,000 a day will motivate you much more to get into trade. Every day 1000 2000, it's all useless. Just for learning purpose you can do it, but once when you learn and you have capital, easily you can make around 10 to 20k in a day. You can also lose, but you can reduce the losses and increase your profits. Okay, just try to follow the process, that's it. Don't focus on money, numbers and all. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ ನೀವು 10,000 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದಿನ ನೀವು 10,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ತಾಕತ್ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ 1 lakh ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. Just increase 1 0 in front, and that depends on how much risk you can take in a trade. One thing that if you are capable of losing only 1000 or 500, then you must be expecting only 1500 to 2000 as a profit. If you can lose around 10,000 to 20,000 per day, then easily you can expect around 60-70,000 per day. It all depends on how much risk you can take in a day. ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದಿಂದ 10,000 ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I don't have much capital. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬಲ್ ತಾಕತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನ. ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಲೈವ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 ಕಣ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ಶೋ ಯು. Again, 20-50,000 is a very small amount, but amount should not matter us. What should matter us is the way you approach to the market, the way you follow your process. Profits will flow one or the other day. Okay. A 50 or 200 cross is best. Yes, brother. I am using it from past 2 to 3 years. Okay. This is the best. You will not be doing over trade or anything. Live na ille trade kanisla. I took it based on 50 cross 50/200 moving average itself. But I was waiting for only this level. So ee level inda retest agi ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, and I got into this trade exactly, and we captured around 40 points in spot, and which is around 20 points in premium price, which is a decent profit. Okay, I hope people are getting my points, what I'm trying to explain. Profit should not matter to you. ನೀವು 1,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ 10,000 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. Unnecessarily don't lose your capital doing over trade or doing FOMO trades. It's okay if you miss this move also, but unnecessary losses na ತಗೊಂಬೇಡ್ರಿ. If you protect that capital, that will some or the other day will give you huge profits. Okay. So time is 2:36. Market ne one huge momentum bandadu illi. After this, I don't think so we can expect any momentum in market, because this is a huge, which is close to around 70 to 80 points. Okay, 70 to 80 points is a very huge move. Okay, Ethereum is still not falling below this level. I think I'll be live for some more time and then I'll close the live stream. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. It has given us a huge momentum. So as of now, I'm not expecting any move in market right now. Okay. Let's see what other YouTubers are doing. 1 second. Oh, everyone has captured the move. Nice, nice. Nice. So there was a time where ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. How is this person exactly? One second, sorry. How is this person exactly predicting that market will go down? ಇದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು? What is the logic behind this ಅಂತೇಳಿ at one point like 3 to 4 years ago ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಡೂ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, even I watched so many live streams and then I learned things. So learning, there should be no conjugacy. Watch anyone's video so that it will add on value to your thing. Okay, 1 second guys, 1 second. Okay. Sorry guys, on call ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, had to attend the call. So ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ time is around 2:51. Let's see, let's wait till 3:15 ತನಕ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Again, I'm not expecting a very big momentum, but I want to observe ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ I want to observe. Okay, so let's see. Again, Binance and Ethereum are still sideways. Binance ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್. Let's wait because I can see a trend line connecting from the top, not this one. I can connect this trend line. Okay, so illinda trend line barlatilli easily I can enter somewhere over here, and this will be my stop loss around 2.5 points, 2.5 somewhere over here, and target will be around 10 points. Okay, so let's see. Ethereum naino enter agbodu easily. Target will be around 70 to 60 points, and stop loss will be around 15 points. Okay, Nifty is again still falling, but heavy momentum sikkadilli. I'm not expecting a fall again. Even if in case fall adrunu, I'm not interested in the trade. We took one trade which is more than sufficient for today and which gave us a proper target. Okay, this is why patience is very important in trading. Okay, I think I'll get in both Nifty and Binance and Ethereum both. Here I'll take 0.2 or 0.5 $7. I think I'll get into both of the trades, guys. 1 second. Let me take a risk. Again, a very small risk. Sell. Oh भाई साहब, प्राइस छूट गया मेरा हाथ से. Shit, price heavy fall ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. I don't want to get into wrong entry point. Again, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೂ I'll be losing my profits. ऐसा क्या? I strictly want to enter at this point itself. Again, on small pullback, green candle bantandre I'll get into trade. I don't want to enter at wrong point, at wrong timing. Okay, wait ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ easily. In case fall ಆದ್ರೂ ಈ trade miss ಆದ್ರೂ it's totally fine, but I don't want to get into wrong trades. That is what is my motive. Okay, ಈ level cross ಆದ್ರೆ easily market will fall. I'll wait. Okay, easily I'll wait and then let's see. I need a small pullback, green candle, one small pullback ಬೇಕು, then I can get into trade, or else I can even also get somewhere like this into the trade. Let's see. I'll manage things accordingly. I think Ethereum, I think we can get into trade. Okay, I'll get into trade, guys. It's okay, totally fine. Sell 2 quantities, sell 0.5 over here. and in both are in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see, this will be my stop loss in Binance and this will be my stop loss in Ethereum. Okay, I got into both the trades in live only. Stop loss togondrunu I'll accept the stop loss. Okay, so this is my stop loss in this. 1 second, I will check. Binance kahan hai bhai? Okay, this is my stop loss, first candle. Where is Binance? Okay, this is my stop loss, which is around 947,987. 947,987. 5.29 is my risk. Okay, which is manageable again. And in Ethereum, this somewhere, okay, blue line balirado, this is my stop loss. Go to this one. Where is my Ethereum trade? This is in 5 minutes time frame. This one, ala. I think this is the stop loss. कहाँ है मेरा भाई? Confusion. Ethereum 5 minutes, okay. 1420 candle. Charts delta action ಮತ್ತು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So that is the reason this is okay. 1420 is this candle. 3943.26. 3943.26. 8.65 is the risk over here. So total risk of around $15, and reward will be more than close to around $60, 60. Let's see what exactly will happen. ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೂವ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮೂವ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. Okay, I think it's 3 o'clock. With this I'll just wind up my live stream. So this was a good trading session today. So E level breakout aaytu ankori easily, this should give us a fall downside. So that is what I am expecting as of now. Let's see what market will give us today. Okay, so I hope ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ದ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Until that, see you all, take care, and thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay, thank you so much.